All right, we're back here at the table. We've got our disassembled blade assembly ready to be put back together. It's clean and sanitized. We're going to show you how to put it back together. First blade can go on in any position. It doesn't matter where you put it on. The first one doesn't matter at all. Spacers, there's 2 spacers per blade for standard settings. So we're going to put it back together the regular way. 2 spacers each, then another blade. Now, this is a 3-bladed machine, so you would assume that around that blade hub that the blades should be evenly spaced at 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Sometimes people don't do that, so if you ever notice your machine wanting to get up and dance around the room, you might have put the blades on incorrectly. So let's take a look at that. So that is directly over the other blade. Well, that wouldn't be good because you'd have too much weight on one side. If you went one over, you'd say, well, that works, but no, not quite. It just doesn't look right. It's actually 2 over, 3 blades, a hexagon shaft, 6 sides, a blade every 2 spaces. So, second blade, spacers on. We're going to put the last blade on. 1, 2, 3, they're even all the way around the hub. Spacers go back on, then the top nut. Let's put that back on. That screws on, goes past the first opening, grabs the threads a second time. There we go, that's complete. But we're going to tighten it up again, so in reverse of what we did the first time. Hub tool on the machine, blade set back on the machine. Put that all the way down. We're going to grab our wrench again. And then you notice it goes in the other direction, and now it won't spin, so you can tighten it up again. All right, now I'm going to tighten it up just snug. There you go. There it is, tightened up, ready to go, reassembled. Let's put the machine back together. Take the hub tool off. Let's grab our bowl. You've run that through the dish machine or over at the sink. Once again, pour lip to the left. We start farther around and come back in counterclockwise. Our 2 red arrows line up. Our pour lip is to the front, perpendicular. We're ready to put the blade set back in. Important note, when you put your blade set back in, you can put it on the shaft, but it may not be down all the way. You want to rotate it. Make sure that that blade hub drops all the way down on the shaft. Watch this. Just like that. You don't want to run it if the blade is up in the air like that. So the blade's all the way down. We're going to close our lid. We're reassembled. We're ready to go. We've got green lights on 1 and 2. That means we're ready to roll. Well, there you have it. That's your Robot Coupe R30 vertical cutter mixer. For this and more information, make sure and stay tuned to the Restequippro channel because we want to bring you the very best. Remember to subscribe and like because I'm SeanO, the Restequippro.